All right, guys, part 9 of the hardscape series. I don't know if you can see behind me that tractor trailer, but they just delivered our Roman stone fireplace kit. Let's take a look. It is 7 pallets, about 7,500 pounds, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna, well, I guess I'm gonna try and attempt to get some of these down today. Here it is. We got the Fremont Series 2. We'll also have some wood boxes that go on either side, so it's a total of 10 feet wide. And yeah, backyard is a construction zone for sure. But gonna have to level this off real quick, get it looking pretty good, and then we'll put our first base down, our first level, and go from there. So stay tuned, ride this wave, and enjoy. All right, guys, welcome back. Here, take a look. We got one. Come over here, Ryan. Like, come over here. Give him some room. Right, what did we do? We hit him. We made it square. Everything's completely level. This is the most important part. This is the first level, first layer, so it has to be perfectly square, level, plumb. This is Rylan. This is my niece.
Hi.
And this is our Roman stone fire pit place. Stay tuned. All right, guys, checking back in. About to construct the firebox. Right? Tell them what we did so far.
We did the gluing and the hammering and like, yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right, cool. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, started raining on us, but we're gonna try and get this chimney, at least part of it in. So stay tuned and enjoy this time lapse. We got my main girl Ryan right here.
Hi.
And Brittany over there looking like a, yep. All right, let's get it.
Hey guys, I'm back. Subscribe. I know I said it like 1,000 times, but please subscribe. Subscribe. Go go to his Facebook, YouTube, okay? And just subscribe, please.
Alrighty guys, checking back in. My main man girl, yeah, Rye and Britt. We got 2 more rows on the top, and then we have our top cap thing that we gotta do. I don't know how we're gonna get up there, but stay tuned. Cool. It's raining, we're running out of daylight, but we're gonna try and get her done. We'll see you. Alright, good morning. Day, well, part 9 of this hardscaping series is going to continue today. My sister and I, and my niece Rye, built the Roman stone fire pit place yesterday. Of course, towards the end it was dark. My camera died, so we couldn't get you the final touches. But let's take a look at it. It's a Fremont fireplace. Turned out really nice. The caps still need to be glued on the top, but and then obviously we'll have to do some leveling for where the border is going to go of the, but overall this is a nice little setup. It got big, so we had to grab some ladders. Wood boxes are going to go basically here on each end. They're about 33 inches high on each end, so it will definitely Make it a grand piece on the patio.